Question 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15, and 10, what was his total at the end? In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. Actually, you might have seen in some quiz program in TV or somewhere. You could see they'll be conducting the quiz different levels, like different rounds, round one, round two, like that successive. That is called successive rounds. Even when you play the games, also you could see level one, level two. It will be different. No, the level it will be difficult. First level it will be basic. The next level it will be little tough, like that only they'll be putting, that is successive rounds, levels, successive levels, first round, second round, like that, 5 successive rounds. So positive marks are given for correct answer, negative marks also given, negative marks are given for incorrect, wrong answer. If you give wrong answer, for that negative. If you give correct answer, you will get positive. So like that the quiz is conducted. And here Jack score in 5 successive rounds, that is first round 25 mark, second round minus 5, third round minus 10, fourth round 15, and 10, sorry, and fifth round 10 mark. So like that he scored in 5 successive rounds, that is 5 successive levels. Then what was his total at the end? So how do they find the winners? They will be adding all these rounds total score they will find, then only they'll announce the winner. So now we are asked to find the Jack score. Total score we have to find. So now we are adding first value 25 plus the second value minus 5. We have to place in bracket because this is operation but this is negative sign. So we are placing within the bracket, plus third value minus 10 again within the bracket, plus fourth value 15 and fifth round 10 mark. Okay, now we are going to add the very first step. If there is if the values there within the bracket, let's open the bracket. So first value 25, copy down. Now we are going to open the bracket, plus into minus, minus, then the value 5, again plus into minus, minus the value 10, then copy the remaining values. Now we opened the bracket. And how many integers are there? The previous question we have solved only two integers. Here more than two integers we are going to simplify. If you are going to simplify more than two integers, just pick up the positive integers first and add. Here what are the positive integers? 25, because plus is hiding before 25. This 25 is positive, then 15 is positive, 10 also positive. So if you are going to simplify more than two integers, pick up the positive integers, add. So if you add positive integers, you will have positive solution only. So 50, that is plus 50. Okay, then you picked up the positive integers added, then pick up the negative integers minus 5, minus 10. The remaining negative integers minus 5, minus 10. So again you add, because like sign comes in, what do? We add. So minus 5, minus 10. So pick up the negative integers, add. You will have negative solution, because minus 5, minus 10 both are negative. We are adding, you will get minus 15. So now we changed into only two integers. So when you are going to simplify only two integers, see whether like sign or unlike sign. Here unlike, moreover it is direct subtraction. Unlike means subtract greater number sign, 35. So Jack's total score at the end is 35 mark. Third question. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. And then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Even in our place also the temperature will not be same every day, is it or not, children? Today it will be 30 degrees celsius, tomorrow it may be 31, or day after tomorrow 30, I mean 29. It may increase or decrease, it depends upon the situation. If it is rainy season, if it is winter season, if it is summer season, it differs, is it or not? Even season wise also every day the temperature won't be same, it will be differed. So likewise here at Srinagar, the temperature on Monday, the temperature of Srinagar was minus 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, Monday's temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius. Then Tuesday, what's happening? It dropped. Dropped means decreased, goes down. The temperature is getting reduced. Drop, even drop means going down. It goes down. The temperature is getting reduced. How much it is getting reduced? 2 degrees Celsius. Then what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? So Monday temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius. Then Tuesday 2 degrees Celsius getting reduced. That's what given here. Temperature on Monday minus 5 degrees Celsius. And the next day what's happening? Whether the temperature is getting reduced or increasing? Reduced, no, dropped. So that's why minus, dropped, so minus. How much it is reducing? 2 degrees Celsius. How much the temperature is reducing? 2 degrees Celsius. So now we are simplifying minus 5 minus 2. When you are going to simplify only two integers, see whether like or unlike. Here like sign, both are negative, add, then you will have negative solution only, that is minus 7. Like, add, common sign what? Minus. So the temperature on Tuesday, the temperature at Srinagar on Tuesday minus 7 degrees Celsius. Then on Wednesday what's happening? Wednesday it rose by, rose mean raising, the temperature raised, increased, rose. These and all shows the temperature is increased. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So on Tuesday, the temperature was minus 7 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday, what's happening? Whether the temperature is dropping or increasing? It is increasing, that is rose. So plus, drops means minus, goes down, decrease mean we place minus, here rose, increase, raise, so we place plus. By how much it is raised? 4 degrees Celsius. So minus 7 plus 4. When you are going to simplify only two integers, see whether like or unlike sign. The integers have like sign or unlike sign. Here minus 7 and here plus 4. Unlike means subtract. 7 minus 4, 3. Unlike, subtract, then the greater number 7 before sign minus 3. So the temperature on Wednesday was minus 3 degrees Celsius.